Name?
Higgins Hartwell.
You're charged with a violation of probation. You were on probation and have been on probation since October 15 of 24. It is alleged that you violated probation and that you failed to refrain from consuming alcohol or drugs, testing positive on July 26 of 25 for a cocaine metabolite, and also tested positive on that same date for buprenorphine. You provided a prescription for Suboxone that was not valid, which was filled on February 5th of 24. That is the charge. That would be your first technical violation. You could get 5 days. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you sign an advice of rights and read and understand the rights?
Yes. Yeah.
If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights, and there will be no hearing. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
John? You have the right to a lawyer. Don't worry about these. You have the right to a lawyer. I'll be happy to provide you with one at public expense. Would you like a lawyer? I can't hear you.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. I'm going to enter a not guilty plea. I'm going to give you the lawyer now. You'll meet with the lawyer, and as soon as the two of you are ready, I will go ahead and recall.
Your Honor, I was actually gonna ask the board if I could plead and touch, no contest. No contest.
No contest would not apply in this instance.
Good.
It's either got to be not guilty or guilty. But before you answer, if you want a lawyer, I'll give you one. If you tell me, Judge, I'm going to waive my right to a lawyer, then I'm going to ask you how you plead.
Okay, then I'll plead guilty, so.
You waive your right to a lawyer?
Yes, sir.
Calling Jessica to the charge that you failed to refrain from consuming alcohol or drugs, testing positive on it for a cocaine metabolite on July 26th of 25, and also for buprenorphine.
Yeah, that was.
Wait, slow down. Just slow down. How do you plead to that?
I pleaded guilty.
Did you in fact ingest a cocaine metabolite within the week before July 26th?
I'm not fully positive, but yes, Your Honor, sure. Yeah.
Well, did you or didn't you?
Yeah, if I tested positive, yes, Your Honor.
Did you also test positive for buprenorphine on that same date?
Yeah, I did.
And had you had a Suboxone prescription?
Yes, Your Honor.
Wait, slow down. Just slow down. You got to wait for me to answer the question, okay?
Yeah.
Did you have a prescription for Suboxone that was not valid, that was filled back in the first week of February?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anybody force you to plead guilty?
No.
I'm gonna accept your plea. It's your first violation. Your name?
Just hold on, I'll give her probation.
How's he done with everything else?
Health Runner, all court fines and costs are paid in full, anger management class is completed, 24 hours of community service are completed. Last I received an update was in July, he was compliant with his outpatient services and mental health treatment, but that was back in July, that's the last update I received.
Why do you know why this took so long for the show cause to be?
He was having, I'm sorry, for when it was issued,
Yeah, I mean, the test was July 26th.
so he didn't have the money to lab it right away, so yeah, I gave him more time to pay for the lab, his mom actually helped him and she went and paid for the lab, so I didn't have the lab confirmation until I issued it.
How often is he testing?
He's only on monthly testing as of right now, Your Honor.
What do you
And
think?
also too, just a heads up, Judge, his case was taken under the deferral status and he was scheduled for a prosecutor review September 23rd of 2025, so just last week. So I'm not sure what we want to do with it now, Your Honor.
I'm not either. Well, this is a 7694A.
And he's only done 12 months so far, Your Honor.
I understand. What are you fooling around with cocaine for?
I ended up just losing my insurance after I got a job. And they took away my insurance, so I had to fight for my insurance back so I can get back on this. It was a battle really with the state, Your Honor.
Lisa, I don't want it now, but I'm gonna need another review hearing date in 3 months. It's gonna be sometime around the second week of January. I'm gonna go ahead. If I let you finish, is there anything else you'd like to say?
No,
You're gonna pay additional costs of $50. I'm extending your probation for 3 months until January 15 of 26. There's gonna be additional probation fees of 20 a month for a total of 60, so you owe 110. You're also to serve 1 day on the court work program and pay $35 for that, so your total is 145. Also, you're to test weekly for 2 months and then bi-weekly if you're clean for the last month. Do you understand that?
yes, Your Honor.
So she's going to meet with you. Can you pay the 145 now? We're gonna set you up on weekly testing. I'm gonna give you a new review hearing date. And you have to show up on that date. If you're compliant, the case will be dismissed. You don't want this assaultive charge on your record, okay?
Yes,
So it's 145, test weekly for 2 months, then bi-weekly if you're clean, 1 day court work program. Lisa, do you have something for me in early 26?
January 6th at 9 o'clock.
January the 6th at 9 a.m. will be your review hearing date. You can pay this. I'll just give you until October the 15th. Can you pay by then?
I can possibly have,
Why don't,
I have to see.
where do you work now?
I'm working, doing side jobs right now.
Pay by October 31. If you need more time, hang on. Pay by October 31. If you can't pay by then, you come and talk to me, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Honor before the due date, all right? Best of luck. Thank you. People against Billington, Suzanne Lynn Billington. And you're gonna go down the hall and get your notice too, sir, after you meet with Ms. O'Donnell. 25F244504. Good morning, ma'am. Your name? All right, let me just see something here. All right, so you're gonna plead to impeding, right?
Yes,
And they're going to dismiss the improper lane use? All right, to that charge of impeding traffic, responsible or not responsible?
yes, sir, it's fine.
I'll accept the plea, 160 is your total. You can go down the hall and take care of that, you're all set. Good luck.
Yes, sir, thank you.
Joshua Jordan Lazarick, 25I415022. I'd like Luke Eckert up here seated at the table, please. Your name, sir? You're charged with failure to refrain from consuming alcohol, testing positive for alcohol on September the 8th of 25. You have the no prior technical violations. This would be a first. If you plead guilty or if you're found guilty, you could get 5 years in jail. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
And did you sign an advice of rights and read and understand the rights?
I did, Your Honor.
If you plead guilty, you will be giving up all those rights and there will not be a hearing or a trial. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. You have the right to an attorney. I'll be happy to provide you with one at public expense. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Would you like a lawyer?
No, Your Honor.
All right. To the charge of failure to refrain from consuming alcohol, testing positive September 8th, how do you plead?
Guilty, Your Honor.
Did you consume alcohol, say within the 3 days before that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay,
Or,
what-
I'm sorry, within 3 days of.
Of September 8th.
Yes, Your Honor.
What did you drink?
Couple of mixed drinks.
What kind of mixed drinks?
Coke.
Need Jessica. Where were you?
I was at my house, Your Honor, had some friends over for a football game.
Anybody force you to plead guilty?
No, Your Honor.
I just put you on probation. This is not a good sign, right? You were only on probation for 2 weeks or so, 2.5 weeks. All right, I'm gonna accept your plea. I'm gonna get the probation officer in here. Have a seat. I'll be right back with you, okay? People against Eckert. Luke Eckert. Luke Michael Eckert. 25W838357. Your name?
Luke Michael Eckert.
You charged with failure to attend scheduled probation visit September 15, failure to attend the anger management program with 12-week follow-up. If you plead guilty or if you're found guilty, your deferred status under HIDA could be revoked. You could be incarcerated for 10 days. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
And did you sign an advice of rights form here today and read it and understand it?
Yes, sir.
If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights and there will not be a hearing. Do you understand that? You have the right to a lawyer. I'll be happy to provide you with one at public expense if you want one. Would you like a lawyer?
Absolutely.
To the charge you failed to attend your scheduled probation visit on September 15th, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Did you fail to attend your probation visit on that date?
Yes, sir.
As to the charge you failed to attend the anger management program with 8-week follow-up, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Did you fail to do that?
Yes, sir.
Anybody force you to plead guilty?
No, sir.
And accept your plea to both counts. I find they've been made voluntarily and understandingly and are accurate. Have you started anger management?
No, sir.
Why not?
I've been sleeping in my truck. I just been trying to figure life out. Just forgot a date, but I will do it. I have another chance. I just forgot. So a lot going on.
I'm gonna get Ms. Wiles over here momentarily. Have a seat and get her over here. Just wait a minute, this caller. Wait a minute. Tell her about 5 minutes, 7 minutes, John. Joshua Jordan Lazarick. I am accepting your pleas though, Mr. Eckert, and I'll be right back with you. Name?
That's the letter, you know.
Just hold on, Your Honor.
Well, this isn't a good start. He just got placed on probation. Can I see the screening?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're gonna take me more seriously going forward, aren't you?
Yes, sir.
Anything you want to say?
Client otherwise he's attending his 12 step meetings, providing proof he is enrolled in outpatient substance abuse treatment. All other tests have been negative at this point. He still has time to complete his 3 days in the court work program, but again, getting into treatment is a good sign for me at this point.
Anything you would like to say, sir?
I'm mistaken. I understand some zero tolerance policy. I will continue to be fully 100% committed to it.
How many buddies you have over there that day?
I've said all three.
Pardon?
Three friends with what, Your Honor.
Well, you didn't invite them over thinking you guys were gonna drink Kool-Aid much,
I understand, Your Honor. It was
right?
Yes.
All right, enough said. Anything else?
Just that I made the necessary steps, to eliminate any possibilities.
Pay costs is $75. Serve one more day on the court work program. You pay $35 for that. So you owe $110. Can you pay that now?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you'll pay that today, one more day court work. I'll keep everything else, including bi-weekly testing on the, okay,
Thank you, Your Honor.
thank you. Johnny. See, what are you doing? What are you doing? This is there. You